welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Asus ExpertCenter D7 SFF desktop. So friends, Asus has announced a new Expert series desktop model, the ExpertCenter D700SD, and friends, designed for long-term use, giving business users in financial, retail, manufacturing, creative fields, and other industries a durable solution. And friend, the case is rotatable and can be fully opened for convenient maintenance and upgrades, with the side panels on the chassis that are easily removed without a screwdriver, and a 3.5-inch HDD tool-free tray that enable user to quickly replace or upgrade hard drives. And friend, the compact chassis is slim yet durable, crafted from steel Electrodeposition Cold Common. And friend, the D7 can also be connected with up to 4 external displays, making it a small yet powerful solution for stimulus data monitoring and multitasking. And the D7 features up to an Intel Core i7-12700 processor with 128 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz memory. And friend, it includes diverse I/O ports to provide comprehensive connectivity for both new and legacy devices, including 11 USB ports, COM port, and more to suit needs of retail, banking, and other industrial applications. And friend, it has a EPAID silver rating, and its power supply features an 80 plus platinum or 80 plus bronze certification to improve power efficiency. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.